Hi guys, it has been some time since my last video. I've been busy and have been doing my DIY tasks as quickly as possible without filming, hence no videos. Today I thought that I should do a short video of me replacing the faulty indicator light on my Philips bottle sterilizer. There should be a yellow light when the sterilizer is switched on, but it isn't working. The faulty indicator lamp doesn't actually affect the function of this sterilizer, but it is quite useful to know exactly when the sterilizing is complete before starting to retrieve the bottles. To get to the indicator lamp, there are 4 screws hidden under the silicone feet, which first must be removed. Next, pull out the rear cover through the wire so that there is some slack between the cover and the top section.
Okay. So
now we can see the wires leading to the indicator lamp, but it is not long enough to connect a new lamp from there, so the metal cover must come off. Now as you can see, there is nothing much to the Philips bottle sterilizer, and that is a good thing. It has a heating element to heat up the water, and once all the water is boiled off, the temperature will start to rise above 100 degrees until the thermal switch cuts off the power. I will be reusing the small neon bulb that I have salvaged from a damaged socket. If you come across one of these damaged sockets that come with a neon indicator, do salvage the neon bulb before throwing them away, because you never know when it might come in useful.
oops. Alright. I'm going to melt the soda.
Boom.
Yeah, done. See,
1 second.
So fast. 1 second.
Before I forget editing, I'm going to put in some heat string over the existing wires to insulate any exposed wires later on. The lamp has thin wires and I'm not sure how oxidized is it. So I'll be crimping the wires together rather than soldering. I find that crimping is a more effective method to join wires in older devices that have oxidized wires. These old wires makes it hard for solder to stick to it, and by the time the wire is heated up sufficiently, the insulation would already start to melt, and crimping avoids heat damage altogether. With that done, the next thing to do is to reposition all the wires back into the grooves where it belongs, followed by all the screws and the covers that we had taken out earlier in the video. Okay, and now for the moment of truth. Perfect. The light is bright and visible under my kitchen lighting.